Yep.
Alright. Hello, my name is Shaylin Collins, and we're going to show you how to drill holes for net pegs. So this is Kyle, and this is Tim. Say hi.
Hello.
Alright, so we start by taking a screwdriver. Yep. And then you can kind of see there's a hole underneath the ice where the peg will go. And right now we just have to reach the plug that's covering that hole right now. The plug consists of a layer of putty, which keeps all the water out, and then a foam peg, which just kind of is for the putty to rest on and helps to keep the water out too.
Right now I'm reaching some of the putty. I don't know if you can see that.
Yep. Yeah, when you make this hole, you kind of have to make it wide enough to get underneath the putty and the
or else that happens.
and the foam. Otherwise, the ice will crack a little bit. It's fine though.
It's actually small enough.
Yeah.
Alright, so now there's the foam is all the way down there. So what we're gonna do, right, Shaylin?
Yep.
Use this guy.
So this drill bit is a little bit. So it's a little bit wider than the hole itself, the metal cylinder that's below the ice. And basically we're just trying to open it up so you can see that cylinder and so we can reach the plug. When you take the wider drill bit, you kind of just drill down the whole thickness of the drill bit, which is about 1 inch. And almost there. This is really hurting my knees.
It's starting to get frustrating. There it is.
There we go. So this is the plug. It's pretty much a pool noodle, a section of a pool noodle with waterproof tape around it. Is it duct tape?
Yeah. Duct tape, yeah.
Yeah, with duct tape wrapped around it. There's a few layers because we have to keep rewrapping them every now and then. So now, I don't know, you can't really see, but there's a metal cylinder down in there, and now we're gonna drill out the snow from the inside of the cylinder with a drill bit that's slightly smaller. The peg can fit right in. That's about it. And then the net will go right on top of that. Yep. And this just prevents the net from moving if a goalie pushes off from it, but the rubber peg actually can break away if it needs to. So that is how you drill a hole for a hockey net. All right. Thank you to my lovely assistants. All right. Have a good day.